Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check for your GitHub rank. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for that we will be using like some states card or some readme cards that you can use in GitHub, and basically those are just some uh, projects that people are creating, and you can use their API into your readme cards so you can be able to add these status. So as you can see, you can add this view, as you can see here, like to be added into your profile, and by that you will be able to start checking the rank of your project, I mean of your account. And basically you can access to this project by just typing GitHub readme stats, and you will find this project like to be the first one. As you can see here, we can simply like go to the readme of this here, and basically we will be needing just to copy this API or to copy this card, and then you will be needing to go to your profile. After that, make sure that you have repository by your name. So here I already have a repository by my username that goes by my username, and it is this one. And in the readme file, you will need just to edit, and basically you will be needing to add the API, and basically in the username, make sure to add your own username. So it's like that. And from here, I'm just going to commit the changes, and I'm going to save. And basically in the preview, you can see your GitHub status card, and you can see your rank and how much remaining like to achieve the rank, your total stars earned, total commits, and the PRs like the pull request, the issues, and everything that. And as you can see, those are the profile views, the other cards, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.